Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by controlling the mess and pressure. Place a drain pan and wear gloves. Once the oil area is exposed, spray penetrating oil around the filter seam and wait 5 to 10 minutes so it seeps into the threads. Then, take a strap wrench or a 1/2 breaker bar adapter and attempt one firm counterclockwise turn. Aim for steady force rather than jerks. If it shifts even a little, keep turning slowly to avoid stripping the canister. Make sure to reposition tools for full leverage. Once the strap wrench fails, escalate with leverage. Use large filter pliers or a 3/8 or 1/2 impact wrench if available. You want consistent torque, not sudden torque spikes. If metal expansion helps, apply a heat gun to the filter body for 30-60 seconds, keeping heat off nearby rubber seals. Heat breaks the thread sealant bond. If the tool slips, improve grip with a rubber mat or a chip wrench. As a last resort, drive a screwdriver through the canister lip and pry gently while turning. You finish by turning the filter until it breaks free and then carefully unscrewing it while catching oil in the pan. Once removed, inspect the gasket. If it stuck to the engine, peel it off now to prevent double gasketing. Clean the mounting surface with a rag and a plastic scraper so the new filter seals properly. If the canister refuses to budge, stop and let penetrating oil soak overnight, then repeat steps, forcing further risks damage. Troubleshooting tip: if you round the can, use a filter cutter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.